What is Developer and how does it work? Why should you buy Katun Developer and Developer Kits? In this brief video, we are going to explore and answer those questions. Following is a very simplistic explanation of how Developer works. It is important to note that this is a general description. There are many minor variables involved depending on the machine application. The combination of toner and carrier is called Developer, which is used to create images on paper during the xerographic process. While toner's role is critical in this process, carrier is equally important. Typically, Developer is made up of mostly carrier and less toner. Mixing the toner and carrier is required in order to create an electrostatic charge on the toner's surface to transport the toner to where it needs to go within the imaging device. The carrier particles have a different electrical charge than the toner. This difference in charges results in the toner and carrier particles being attracted to each other. In the example shown, negatively charged toner particles are attracted to positively charged carrier particles. In our example, an electric field is applied between the Developer roller and OPC drum. This applied electric field forces the negatively charged toner to transfer from the Developer roller onto areas of the drum which are less negatively charged than the drum's non-discharged areas. The magnetic carrier particles, which are positively charged, remain on the Developer roller. The drum with the toner clinging to the discharged areas now rotates. The toner is transferred from the drum to the image transfer belt or the paper. If an image transfer belt is used, the toner will be transferred from the belt to the paper. The paper then advances and the toner is fused to the paper in the fusing station. It's important to note that in conventional systems, Developer doesn't get consumed like toner. Instead, the carrier stays inside the imaging device and is used repeatedly. Eventually, the carrier loses its charging ability, resulting in the need to replace the carrier periodically. There is a stated life for the carrier, which varies by machine. In trickle feed systems, carrier and toner are included in the toner cartridge. This allows the carrier to be continually replenished in the Developer unit. For many applications, the OEM does not offer replacement carrier or Developer. Instead, the entire Developer unit must be replaced. This is usually an expensive proposition. The good news is that for some Canon, Konica, Ricoh, and Sharp models, Katun offers compatible replacement Developer or Developer kits, enabling dealers to forego the high cost of replacing the entire Developer unit by instead swapping out the old Developer for new Katun Developer. The process of refilling the Developer unit varies by product and machine, but typically it involves opening the Developer unit, removing the old Developer, adding new Katun Developer, and reassembling the unit. It's a straightforward process that can typically take fewer than 15 minutes to perform. When buying Katun Developer or Developer kits, dealers will benefit from significant cost savings, even after factoring in the labor cost of rebuilding a Developer unit. One of our more recently introduced products, the Katun Developer Kit for use with Canon ImageRunner Advance C3320 series, includes Developer bottles, plus a funnel and drive gear tool to make Developer installation quick, easy, and efficient. Ask your Katun representative or check the online catalog for more information regarding Katun's growing range of compatible Developers and Developer kits. Our Developer products are a sure way to help you increase your profitability today.